If you use an iPhone, you probably know how difficult it can be to transfer photos or videos between your iPhone and your computer. Many people try using iTunes, but honestly, it can be complicated and confusing. So in this video, I'm going to show you a much easier way to do it using a tool called FoneTool. And I'll show you step by step how you can transfer photos and videos between your iPhone and your computer in just a few clicks. Hello everyone and welcome back to iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a useful software called FoneTool. FoneTool is basically an all-in-one iPhone data manager that allows you to transfer, backup, and manage your iPhone data directly from your computer. With this software, you can transfer photos and videos between iPhone and PC, back up your entire iPhone, restore your data anytime, transfer data from one iPhone to another, manage WhatsApp data, and organize files on your device easily. So it's basically a complete phone management tool for iPhone users. The link is available in the description of this video. From here, you can download the software for your computer. FoneTool works mainly on Windows computers. Once the download is complete, simply install the software like any other program. After installing the software, go ahead and open FoneTool. When the program opens, you will see several options on the main interface. One very useful feature in FoneTool is iPhone backup. With this tool, you can create a full backup of your iPhone, including photos, contacts, messages, and other important data. Another useful feature is the WhatsApp Manager. With this tool, you can backup WhatsApp data, transfer WhatsApp chats between iPhones. Now let's move to the main topic of this video, which is how to transfer photos and videos between your iPhone and your computer. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, FoneTool will automatically detect your device. Here you will see three main options: iPhone to PC, PC to iPhone, iPhone to iPhone, PC to iPhone transfer. If you want to copy photos or videos from your computer to your iPhone, choose PC to iPhone. Then click Add Files or Add Folder and select the photos or videos you want to transfer. After selecting your files, simply click Start Transfer. Now install the FoneTool app by scanning this QR code or directly searching into App Store. You can also transfer without installing app, but app is convenient, otherwise the photos cannot be deleted from your phone. Within a few seconds, your photos or videos will be transferred directly to your iPhone. You can also transfer content from iPhone to PC. In my Device's Data Explorer section, the software will show you different categories of data available on your device. For example, photos, music videos, contacts, messages, and other media files. You can browse through these categories and preview the files before exporting them. Here you can see all the photos stored on the device. Now simply select the photos you want to export, then click on Export to PC. Next, choose the location on your computer where you want to save these files. And once you click Start Transfer, the selected photos will be copied directly from your iPhone to your computer. You can also export contacts in the same way. FoneTool also includes some additional useful tools, such as data recovery. Sometimes important data like photos, contacts, or messages can get accidentally deleted from your device. This data recovery tool can help you retrieve that information. You can scan your device and try to recover your important files. Now, one important thing to mention is that FoneTool is a paid software. There is usually a free version available, which allows you to try some basic features and see how the software works. However, to unlock all the advanced features such as full data transfer, full backup options, WhatsApp management, and other tools, you may need the paid version. So if you plan to use the software regularly, you can check the pricing details on the official website. To download the software, I've also placed the download link in the description of this video, so you can easily check it out from there. So that was a quick overview and tutorial of FoneTool and how you can use it to transfer files between your iPhone and your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker for more useful iPhone tips, tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.